Good morning, I am Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and today I'm working on Junk Journal January Day 13, which is opaque. Now, I know that this is actually not opaque, but don't you worry, because I have a plan. On this side, I'm going to cut down this little bag. I'm going to go ahead and let it stay a little wider because, you know, it's fine. But I'm going to cut the top down and try to make a little bag. Let's cut it, actually. Did I mark it? Yeah, I did. We're going to cut it across like this with these fancy scissors. And then in the front, I'm just going to try to, actually maybe I'll use this. See if it'll work. I have a feeling I didn't cut that straight. That's alright. In the front, I want it to come down a little bit, but I don't know if this is going to work. If this will fit in there. Oh yeah, it will. Okay. So we're going to do this. Can you see what I'm doing? Hopefully I'm in the middle. And so now we have the front is a little bit lower than that. I can cut a little bit out of this too. So let's go ahead and do that. And hopefully I'll be lining it up properly. So I'm going to get double-sided tape and put this just like this on top of this little bag. And you can see that it's see-through. It's transparent now. I know that our prompt is opaque and not see-through, but you'll see what I'm doing in a minute. It's going to be a surprise. Let's see. So I don't really want it all the way to the edge. Okay, it's this edge. Let's do this. Hopefully I am still in frame. And one more over here. Okay. And now we'll take the backing off and put this right on top like that. Okay. I hope you're all happy, healthy, and safe. And my husband came home from the hospital yesterday, and today I'm making him do a few things because he's not supposed to be just laying around. He's supposed to be able to do everything he normally does other than like shovel snow and stuff like that, you know. So, oh, I forgot. Oh, shoot. This is going to go down on here. I'm also, whoops, going to attach this with double-sided tape. Forgot. So there's going to be something inside here. Yeah, so we're going to do that too. Put the double-sided tape on here. This is going to be all over. And yeah, so he's recuperating from his surgery, and he goes back for a checkup next Thursday. Let's see. Today's Friday. I need to replenish my Dollar Tree double-sided tape. I wonder if they even have it anymore. I haven't bought it in so long. Looks like I have some that's too long. I'll have to go check out Dollar Tree later just to see what they got. Put this here. I'm going to trim off these edges. I didn't even realize I was making it too long. off all the little pieces. So I'm going to take all these things off, and I'm keeping that other piece as a surprise. I have had this transparent thing for years, and I never knew what to do about it until today. Or to do with it until today. So let's get this done. I want to line this up good. That's pretty good. Okay, so that's all down, and you really can't even like see where the tape was, which is awesome, but you can see through it to the polka dots. And now I'm going to figure out what happened to the rest of my thing. This is the surprise part. All right, now I am going to show you the surprise opaque part. I made a journaling card with the same print of this transparent card or paper, and this one is opaque, and I put it on I backed it with some cardstock, and I put a quote for the new year: learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow, by Albert Einstein. So this is my opaque part. This is my transparent part. I hope you liked that. I hope the surprise was worth the wait. I thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate your support. And please come back and check out all the rest of my videos. Thanks so much. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.